cheddar bay fried shrimp. Your eyes are not deceiving you. What you see is what you get. And what we have right here is perfection. So many amazing flavors going on. This is just simply spectacular. And I can't wait for you to try it. It is so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So we are going to begin by getting our wet batter together. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well for you to reference to later on. So go ahead and get all your ingredients together in this bowl as we get ready to mix them all up. And here is our sharp cheddar. I took a package of shredded cheddar and just took my knife and chopped them up into these smaller pieces that you see I have here, and I'm just dropping them into the bowl. This is part of our ingredient list. And our secret ingredient for our wet batter is that club soda. It's gonna help our shrimp become oh so crispy. I'm just gradually adding it in. You want a nice consistency. You're gonna see this is what you're looking for right here. This consistency. You don't want it more wet than this. You don't want it more dry than this. This is what you're looking for. And I did add a little bit of more sharp cheddar because I just felt like it needed just a little tad bit more. So I'm just mixing that in. But this is the consistency you're looking for. Once you have this, you're ready to move on to the next step. Here we're adding in our jumbo shrimp. These are peeled and deveined with the tail on. And you want to go ahead and drop them into this wet batter right here. Get your hands in there and get them all well coated in this wonderful goodness we have going on. So we are just about ready to fry these bad boys up. I got my oil in the back heating up to 350 degrees. I'm just grabbing the shrimp, shaking off a little bit of the excess, then dropping it into this plain flour. And trust me, even though it's plain flour, it's gonna be delicious. Trust me, because that wet batter is just jam-packed with so much flavor. You're just putting that little small coat of plain flour for that extra crisp. So I'm just putting it in my little Tupperware that you see on the screen, throwing the lid on it, giving it a shake to make sure they are well coated up. And we are just gonna drop this in the oil. Again, my oil is at 350 degrees for that perfect crisp. And we're gonna fry them up for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they are golden brown. And I am frying these in batches. I don't want to overcrowd my oil too much, because what happens is you throw too much shrimp in there, the temperature of that oil is going to drop so much, you're just going to have some soggy shrimp, and we're not looking for that. We want that crispy shrimp, and we want to maintain the temperature of the oil. So this is the first batch. Oh my goodness, looking good, baby. Come on now, stop playing with me. Looks amazing. Go ahead and drop that off to a wire rack with some paper towels and let them chill for a while we work on the rest of our shrimp. This is our next batch, looking just as good, if not better. Oh my. Come on now, stop playing with your boy. This is straight pressure, guys. So this is the end result: crispy, flavorful, amazing cheddar bay fried shrimp. You're not gonna find anything tasting this good anywhere else but your kitchen, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. And when you do, double back in the comments and let me know how'd you love it. I'll see you all on the next video. Deuces.